guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the tech lovers and driving enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the 2025 Pawpedal, a revolutionary new driving system that's set to change the way we interact with our cars. If you're a fan of futuristic automotive innovations, this is definitely one to watch. So, what exactly is the Pawpedal? Imagine never having to use traditional foot pedals again. Instead, this cutting-edge system allows you to control acceleration and braking using intuitive hand controls mounted right on the steering wheel. Designed with accessibility, comfort, and performance in mind, the Pawpedal is making waves in the automotive world for its bold new approach to driving. Let's dive right into how it works. The Pawpedal consists of two responsive paddles integrated into the steering wheel. One controls acceleration, while the other manages braking. These paddles are pressure sensitive, meaning the more pressure you apply, the more response you get from the car. It's almost like driving a race car with paddle shifters, but instead of shifting gears, you're controlling the entire motion of the vehicle. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this affect performance? Well, in terms of responsiveness, the Pawpedal is actually more efficient than traditional pedals. It eliminates the reaction time needed to move your foot between the gas and brake, which translates to quicker response times and increased safety. Plus, it reduces leg fatigue, making long drives a lot more comfortable. Safety is always a top priority, and the designers of the Pawpedal have implemented several fail-safes to ensure a secure driving experience. The system has built-in redundancy, meaning if one of the paddles fails, traditional foot pedals automatically activate as a backup. There's also an intelligent software suite that adapts to different driving styles, ensuring smooth and predictable performance at all times. But who is this really for? While the Pawpedal is great for everyone, it's especially beneficial for individuals with mobility impairments. Drivers who struggle with traditional pedals due to injury or disability can now experience a whole new level of independence on the road. It's also perfect for people who simply want a more ergonomic and futuristic driving experience. Now, let's talk about real-world application. We took the Pawpedal out for a test drive, and let me tell you, the experience is mind-blowing. At first, it takes a little getting used to because your instincts are wired to press pedals. But after just a few minutes, it starts to feel natural. The control is precise, and you can fine-tune your acceleration and braking with just slight finger movements. It's almost like playing a racing game but in real life. One of the coolest things about the Pawpedal is its adaptability. Whether you're in a city environment, cruising on the highway, or even on a track day, the system adjusts to your driving style. If you need a smooth, gradual acceleration in stop-and-go traffic, it delivers. If you want instant response for spirited driving, it provides that too. And let's talk about customization. The 2025 Pawpedal comes with an app that allows you to adjust sensitivity settings, toggle between different driving modes, and even set up personalized profiles. You can have a relaxed setting for daily commuting and a sportier setup for weekend fun. The level of control you have over your own driving experience is truly next level. Now, I know many of you are wondering about compatibility. Right now, the Pawpedal is available as an option on select 2025 models from major manufacturers, but there are also aftermarket kits in development for retrofitting older vehicles. This means that no matter what car you drive, you might soon have the option to switch to this revolutionary system. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, there are bound to be some skeptics. Some drivers may worry about the learning curve, while others might question its reliability. But after testing it myself, I can confidently say that this system is intuitive, smooth, and surprisingly natural to use. Plus, with its dual control system allowing for both traditional and hand-operated driving, there's really no downside. The Pawpedal is a bold step forward in automotive design, and it raises an interesting question. Could we see traditional pedals disappear entirely in the future? With advancements in electric and autonomous vehicles, the way we interact with our cars is evolving faster than ever. This could very well be the first step toward a new era of driving. So, what do you guys think? Would you try the paw pedal? Do you see this becoming the future of driving, or do you think traditional pedals are here to stay? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Pawpedal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.